Tired of your favorite pets vanishing into thin air? Well, today, we're diving into how to immortalize your pixelated pals using the magic of name tags. First things first, you'll need to acquire a name tag. You won't find these by crafting. Instead, you'll need to get resourceful. Fishing is a fantastic way to snag one. Just keep casting your line. Abandoned mineshafts and woodland mansions are also great places to discover name tags stashed away in chests, so get your exploration gear on. Got your name tag? Great! Now, place an anvil. This is where the renaming magic happens. Interact with the anvil, put the name tag in the first slot, and type in your desired name in the text box. Maybe Sir Reginald III for your pig, or Luna for your Wolf. It's totally up to you. Once you've renamed a tag, take it out of the anvil. Keep in mind, renaming items in the anvil will cost you experience points, so make sure you have enough. Now comes the best part. Find the animal you want to name. Hold the name tag in your hand and simply right-click, or use the interact button on your device on the animal, and there you have it. Your animal now sports its stylish new name above its head, and most importantly, it will never despawn. Enjoy your newly named and permanently present companions. Be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful Minecraft tips and tricks.